Now in this video, I'm going to discuss about the fittings and accessories. First of all, let's discuss about the fittings. Fittings are used to change the direction of flow of incoming fluid. In our case, we are discussing the water supply system, so fittings are used to change the direction of water. Here we have an image of an elbow, right? If you have a vertical pipe and you want to change the direction of your pipe towards the horizontal direction, so you can use these types of elbows. In next video we will discuss about fittings in detail. And now the next we have accessories. Accessories are used to control the amount of flow, right? If you want to reduce the amount of flow, or you want to close or open the valve, so these are usually all the valves are called accessories. So these are the two major difference between fittings and accessories, right? So this is a very important topic, and most of the people don't know the major difference between fittings and accessories. Here we have an example of an accessory, which is a gate valve used for open the incoming flow of water or close the flow of water, right? Now these are some fittings. This is a trap, uh, and this hole is used for a clean out purpose, used to install below or underneath the lavatories to avoid the incoming foul smell entering into the toilet area, right? So this is a T over here. If you have a vertical pipe coming from this direction, and you want to take a branch from your incoming pipe, you can use a T, and then you have a U bend to transfer the incoming fluid, the direction of your fluid towards the back direction, right? And you have a 90-degree elbow over here. You have a Y branch, right? Y branch, what's the purpose of Y branch? If you have a vertical pipe and you want to draw another branch in some angle, right? So for that purpose you require a Y branch. But in case of T, what happens? Actually, you have a vertical pipe and you can draw the branch like this way. So for that purpose, in this area you can use this T. For offset, offset means your pipe is at some level, and you want to reduce the direction of your pipe, you can use these offsets, right? This is, for example, this is the floor level and this is the pipe level. Now this distance is 16 feet. Now after reducing here the offset, now the distance is, you can say, 10 feet, right? So again, we have a 45-degree elbow to convert the vertical direction in this direction. So this way you can use fittings to change the direction of the water supply which is coming to your building or any house. Now we have accessories. Accessories are used, as I mentioned you in my previous lecture, that accessories are required to reduce the incoming flow of water. So first we have a gate valve. Gate valve is used for open close purpose. If you want to open the flow of water, you can fully open this valve, or if you fully close this valve, you can stop the incoming flow of water. So this accessory is used for fully open and fully closed condition, right? Now the next we have a globe valve. So it is difficult to, you can say, these two valves are slightly looks different with each other. It is more like a sphere over here, and it looks like a rectangle. So in this case, it has a plug over here, right, and a bonnet and a stem. When you rotate this circular piece, the stem will move up and down, right? This is how it reduces the flow of water. So it is also used for fully open and fully closed condition, but you can also use this valve in between, or you can say to reduce the flow rate of the water. But in case of gate valve, it is only used for fully open condition and only used for fully closed condition. Why? I have shown another image over here. This is a globe valve, and here two images are for uh, gate valve. When you close the gate valve, it fully stop the incoming fluid, right? But if you stop in between the incoming fluid, that fluid forces will destroy the gate of this valve, so it may damage. So therefore, if you want to use gate valve, you have two choices. Either you fully close this valve and stop the fluid or liquid, either the next option is fully open the valve. But in case of globe valve, you have different option. You can stop as well, you can fully open this valve as well, and you can also use this plug in between over here to reduce the flow rate. Now the next accessory is a ball valve. A ball is like, we have a handle over here, and if you look at the cross section view of this valve, inside the valve we have a ball like an eye. If this hole is in line with the incoming liquid or fluid, the fluid will pass through this hole and follow this direction, right? But what happens when you close this handle? If you move this handle over here like this way, the direction of eye will move towards this way, and it will block the incoming fluid over here. No fluid will pass through this hole. So this is how we use ball valve for uh, to control the flow rate, or to reduce the flow rate or reduce the flow of water, or you can also use it for fully open or fully closed condition as well. Now let's discuss about the pressure reducing valve. Every plumbing related fixture and appliances in your home was made to handle water pressure of typically between 50 to 80 psi. But your municipal water line could be pumping water to your home at high as 150 psi. This difference means that a high level of stress is put on your plumbing system, eventually leading to frequent repairs and costly placement of parts. Your fixture will last longer if your home maintains appropriate water pressure. So therefore, to maintain the appropriate water pressure, you require pressure reducing valves. And this plays a very vital role in your plumbing system.